Hello. In this episode, we are going to be doing a live marimba lesson with children aged from 8 to 12. Good morning, everyone. Are you excited to be playing marimbas today? You are? Good. Now, today, I'm going to teach you a song. I'm going to start with everybody. Can you look for a G? You're going to go G, F, E, D. Can you play that for me? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done. Now you're going to keep playing that in the middle of the song. Somewhere it will come back. So don't forget that part. Now I'm going to start with the guys at the back. Baritone, can you go to C on your left? The guys at the back playing the baritone. Can you play that C for me 4 times? With both hands, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the other C, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, you play that melody I taught you. G, F, E, D. Ready, go. Well done. Now, can you put the whole thing together from the beginning? Go. Well done. Good. Next, the tenors. Are you ready? C and C 4 times. Can you go 1, 2, 3, 4? Bring your hands together to F and A. In the middle there, F and A. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C and C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then G, F, E, D. Let's start again. So C 4 times, F and A 4 times, C and C 4 times, G, F, E, D. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Sopranos, are you ready? Right. Can you look for C and E? Can you play those for me 4 times? You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And move 1 step up to D and F 4 times. After me. And then back to C and E 4 times. After that, you play G, F, E, D. Right, let's put that together. C and E 4 times, D and F 4 times, C and E 4 times, G, F, E, D. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Good. Piccolos, are you ready? Now, can you look for E and G? Also play 4 times for me. And then F and A. And then move straight up to G and C. Also 4 times. And then you go B, A, G, F. Yes, all right. So E and G, F and A, G and C, B, A, G, F. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's try now. Everybody together. Can I hear the drum? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. we're going to put the whole song together now. What's the name of the song, by the way? In the jungle, yes, the mighty jungle, right. Now we're going to start from the back. So we have baritone playing alone 2 times, they stop, tenors 2 times, soprano 2 times, piccolos 2 times alone, and then all together. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Baritone 1, 2, tenors. Sopranos. Piccolos. All together. 1, 2, 3, go. Not bad. Let's take it again from the beginning. Right. This time, while the baritones are playing, I want to see everybody moving. Come, let's go. There you go. Baritone, get ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Tenors, ready, go. Now you dance. Sopranos, 1, 2, 3, go. Piccolo. Hello? Move, yes. All together. 1, 2, 3, go. Give yourselves a clap. Yes. You guys are sounding great. Good job. All right. That's not the end of the song. There's another part to the song. Okay. Baritones. This time, I want you to play only once. Okay. So you're going to go bum, and then 2, 3, and 4 are going to be silent. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So C. And then F, 2, 3, 4. And then the other C, 3. And then you finish with G, F, E, D. Can you try that? 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. Yes, you go to F. Same notes. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and G, F, E. Well done. Tenors, the same thing. So you go C, C, 3, 4. F, A, 3, 4. C, C, 3, 4. G, F, E, D. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and well done. Same with the soprano. So you go C, E. D, F, 3, 4, C, E, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and I love your remix there. Next, piccolos, E and G. You guys, you should know by now. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and all right, so let's try that part all together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and 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 why did you stop? Why did you stop? Hey, all right. So that's our second part. All right. Now let's put together with the first part and also the introduction. Now, our introduction is when the baritone starts, okay? What? 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, mister, you need to dance. A 1, 2, 3, go! A 1, Yeah. Well done, guys. Good job. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoyed the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.